I'm just going to leave them to run around the kitchen. Because Piers made them a box where they've got 2 different doors to go in, and they're going mental. They keep attacking each other through this box. Yeah. Yeah. We'll tape them shut like top and bottom, and then just keep running in and out and attacking each other. Yeah, I haven't let them out yet. I thought I'll brush them later when I get home and get anything that's... I've got one so I can do it. But they're both eating and drinking, so it's just the toilet issues at the moment, which I can't leave the lid down because Leo just eats it like it's food. I got the cat sound. Yeah. I don't know what you could buy that it would need. I might just ring the vet and say, look, my kitten's eating my litter, is there anything that's on the market that we can... Yeah. They are very cute.